Hi. Okay. Now, in the last videos, we have seen that the agreement, when customer sign the agreement in CRM is automatically created with the, and it is also synced with the share file, and audits are also created. Now, next step is company or the admin needs to assign all these audits to some auditors. So let me do that from here. I'm going to edit and assign these uh, to the auditors, test auditors. Okay. Okay, and then we will mark them as save. Okay, now there are total 18 audits. I have assigned 9 to one auditor and remaining 9 to the other auditor. Right now there is no email going to the auditors on the assignment of an audit. I need to work on this. It is still pending that when an audit assigned to an auditor, he will receive an email that this particular audit against that agreement assigned to you. So now at this step, you can launch this agreement or the project, and when you launch, what happened behind the auditors accounts, dashboard accounts will be created if they are not already created, and all these auditor will gain access to the share folder for this particular agreement and for the assigned audits, and they will also receive an email so that you have access to these folders. So let me see what are the email addresses of these two auditors, so we can see that we received emails or not. Okay, this one. Okay. So I am now going again. This button is only available for admin, and admin can launch the project. Admin and I think channel managers. So I will launch from here. It will take a few moments. Okay, the project launched successfully, and you can see against the company, the audit stage is also changed to audit assigned, and against of each of these audits we can also see the share file link here. If you want to directly move into that folder, and let me open those two email, the this one and the other one, this one. These two also receive the email addresses, and also the email from the CRM that your dashboard login is created with the username and the password, and there are emails uh, for each audit that we have provided access to the folders. Like this one is for merchant processing, and the freight amount shipping, and we have the other auditors. Second one, he also received the email with the login and the remain all these emails that we provided access to this folder. We have assigned 9 to this auditor and 9 to another auditor, so we'll receive one email for each of the audit. And okay, now this is the client dashboard. Client is still on the second step. From here clients can fill this questionnaire or he can skip and move to the next step. I'm going to fill few of these questions. Okay, and submit questionnaire. From here, client can upload documents to the share file, and they will be available to see to the auditors and the company. I'm going to skip and move to the next. This is the audit. This is, I set manually 75%, but at this stage every audit is on the 50% stages, and client will stay on this step until auditor makes some progress and accept the audits and make some progress. So client cannot move to the next when every assign audit client will accept and make some progress, then it will be client will be going to the next step, audit in progress. From here client can communicate with the auditor like I have shown you already. I think this uh, communication tool I have built in the last few months I have built this. uh, from here customer can communicate with the auditor. They can upload documents from here. They can chat with each other, and they can also load documents from share file, but right now there are no files. We have uploaded, or client can upload it files from here to in the uh, share file. Let me upload upload. Okay, files is uploaded. Now if auditor or the customer try to access those files, they can directly access from the dashboard as well, the share file. This is the file I just uploaded. They can see all of these files. Okay, so uh, I think that's it for the customer right now. The other things we need to build. Now I'm going to log in as auditor. What is auditor email? Auditor can see the unread messages that customer will send to them here, and also they can see against that particular audit here. So audit is assigned right now. All these are the active audits. Now from here I need to for now there is I need to work further on this because we have changed this dashboard a little bit on the back end. Previously it was connected with the Smartsheet and the Salesforce, but right now it is we need to connect it to the Salesforce. So there are some works need to be done on well, like I have showed you earlier, that by clicking on this we expand and we can see the locations, and auditor can update audits for each that is savings and the refunds, and they can update against each location. But right now I need to create a location audit location module in the Suite CRM, and audit from here auditor can take action whether they are going to accept the audit or decline an audit. So same stages will be keep updating in the Suite CRM as well, and the admin of the company will be also notified for each of them. So now let me show you the this one is the channel partner can see the opportunities. They have already updated these terms of, once the project is launched. I think we do not need to make this available for the channel partner to make these changes again after launching the project. So these are the agreements with the stages. They can see the channel partner, and now let me log in with the channel manager account. It was this one. What is the password? Channel manager. Okay, this is the channel partner account. They can also see same things, who's the partner, and they can also filter by a partner. Right now there is only one partner under this channel manager. So and the other thing is the admin dashboard. Let me log in using the admin dashboard. Okay, now I'm going to log in as admin. So admin can see the dashboard with total number of audits, total number of agreements, total number of opportunities, all these stats. I think you have already see the dashboard. There is no any major changes. The one changes I have created a template section, view templates. Let me show you the one. Again, I need to work on this. Okay, I have corrected those errors. These are the templates, PDF templates I have created in the dashboard. Only admin can access these templates. This one is the template. Right now I have disabled its edit functionality, because this template is using in the PDF, the agreement PDF we have created. So if you want to make any change, I can enable that from here in the edit. Like this one is the copy of the same agreement. This is from here. The PDF agreement is generated from here. So if we need to make any change, we can create or we can edit the template from here. We can see it by downloading from here, that how it looks like. These are the variables I need to put. It is programmatically filled with yes or no, if whether the client chooses that particular service or not. Same, the terms is fulfilled programmatically, and the reduction rate and the refund rate, and this is the agreement we send to the client. We can also create any PDF template from here, create template, and we can write some code or the script here to create the templates, and we can use that templates in future for some different purposes. And from here settings, any user can change their password. And now let me show agreement subject. Okay, now for now you can see that this particular audit is related to three major accounts. The channel partner is this one part, the channel partner and the customer. You can also see all their relevant agreements under this panel of an account. Okay, I think that's it for now. I'm still working on this, still improving many things. Please let me know your feedback. If there is anything you want to change, if there is anything you want to add, so please let me know. I'm still working on this, still making new things and according to the workflow, the process you have sent me. So please give me your suggestions if there is anything wrong, or you need to modify anything, or you want to add anything. Thank you. Bye bye.